Good morning, my name is Alok and this is Waking Wise, and today we'll be covering one of the primary facts of the Vedant, which is the attractive power. What makes subjects super attractive? What makes subjects super attractive? Keep your spine straight. The L5 S1 should not be like this, it should be absolutely like this. Close your eyes, take a deep long breath. Pura kaha, re chakaha. Purakaha Rechakaha. Very slow exhale, full exhale, deep exhale. Purakaha Rechakaha. In Garuda Purana it mentions that if you take a will and then exit the exhale, all your worries and all your material things actually exhale. Purakaha. Similarly, in Vishnu Puran, it also mentions that when you inhale and you take a vow, you take a will, that all the positive energies and the vibrations come into you. It actually do. Re chakaha. Exhale all your worries, all your stresses, all your apprehensions about the world. At least for the 15 minutes. Don't exhale it completely. So that's the reasoning that you can give to your mind. Right? Purakaha. Rechakaha. Again, come back to the mind and observe why does it actually get attracted with the material world? What is the grammar? What is the इसे हिंदी में कहते हैं व्याकरण क्या है विषय का व्याकरण is the tenets, the constituents, what makes it what it is, the subjects of the world, the objects of the world, what makes them super attractive. Ooh, Rakaha. Keep on breathing deep, long, deep breathing. And you have already have the answer to that. Your ability to react and your ability to attract. It is what you attract makes the subjects and objects more powerful. Yes. Re Chakaha. The moment you stop reacting, the attraction power of that particular thing dissolves. And it's very simple. You have a spicy food or a food which you really love. Ooh, rakaha. And suddenly from your mind, you negate and create a negative thought about this is not tasty, this is unhygienic, unhealthy food. You will get sick out of it. Slowly and steadily, if you start creating the thought, the attraction of that food will become repulsion. Try it. It's possible. Purakaha. Re Chakaha. That is how you create the power of repulsion to negativity. And that is how you create the power of attraction to positivity. Why? Because the subjects do not have their own magnetic or the electric power. They are not the prime forces, they are not the prime movers. They derive their power by your ability to pay attention to them. विषयों के व्याकरण की संहिता विषय संहिता में ये चीज लिखी हुई है कि विषय अपने आप में नपुंसक होते हैं. They are impotent. There is zero power in the subjects. They are important to create anything. They are important to reproduce, right? Narapungavaha, Narapungavaha, Napunsakaha. These are the two words which are being used. नरपुंगवह जो नरों में श्रेष्ठ है. नरों में श्रेष्ठ कौन है? जिसने नपुंसकता को प्राप्त किया. नपुंसकता को क्या प्राप्त किया? कि जिस विषय को शक्ति, जिस विषय को नपुंसकता देनी थी उसको नपुंसकता दे दिया. ऐसा पुरुष नरों में श्रेष्ठ है. But in English what it means is that man is supreme who has made something else powerless by making it important. And how do you do that? By making the subjects, the objects important, by not giving attention to them, by not reacting to them. This is what the mantra is. Now, now take a deep long breath. Pura kaha. Let the whole ignite. Imagine that you are a powerhouse of magnetic force and everything is coming, getting attracted to you, and you are simply making things powerless, all material objects, and look and imagine how they are falling from your body like this. Yes, if you do not react, things become powerless. Then what do you do while not reacting? Stay in your own self, stay in the breath, stay in what you are. Do not react. Just stay neutral. Some रहिए. Stay neutral. You'll find it difficult to repel, but try repelling your apprehensions, repelling your negative attractions to things. You love something, it is not good for the body, it is not good for the mind, repel it, and you'll see that it will lose its attraction. Repel that Rasgulla. That's the favorite dialogue. Repel that Rasgulla. Repel that pizza. Repel that beautiful boy, beautiful girl. Right? Repel that car. Repel that house. Whatever you feel gets attracted. It occupies a space in your mind. Repel, repel, repel. Pura kaho. Take the energy from the universe, from your own divine. Re chakaha. Repel, repel, repel. It's not the law of attraction that works. First, you have to repel the negativities which are getting attracted to you. Right? Cut the cord. Cut the cord of attachment to them. Do not react. When then the phase will come, you will become neutral. Then the phase will come where you will actually attract. Because then you have no negative things attached to it. Ooh, rakaha. Take the divine energy from the universe. Repel the negative things which have been bothering you again and again in life over a period of years. Those rings of memories which have formed habits in your mind, in your subconscious mind. Repel all of that. Repel. Purakaha. Inhale the energy to actually repel all the negative. Inhale the energy from the divine, from the universe, that you are part of the cosmos. Re Chakaha. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Exhale all the things where you have been attracted to, where you have been forced to react for no interest of yours. Purakah. Rechakah. Do not react. Stay sum. Stay equanimous. Stay non-reactive. Couple of minutes. Do not move the body. Do not move the mind. Everything becomes crashing down. It is all imagination. Even science mentions the same. The matter or the material world that you see as matter simply does not exist. It is just moving electrons when you feel the world exists. It is the same electron which is moving inside you. There is no difference between you and the world. Slowly, as we go ahead, you can expand this entire timeline and time zone to deeper, deeper, deeper exhalations, deeper, deeper, deeper renunciations. Yes, this is the time to renunciate. Renunciate is the right word. त्याग, संन्यास, सर्वस्व का न्यास, संन्यास, सर्वस्व से मोह का न्यास, संन्यास. Getting the attachment from everything, you know, detaching the attachment of everything and dropping it is sannyas. We don't need to go to a jungle and meditate. This is what sannyas is all about. This is all about going to the jungle and meditating. This is it. Sarvasva ka nyas, sannyas. As you are sitting, devolve everything, renunciate everything. Feel the lightness, feel the pleasure, feel the holiness that you start deriving it. Why? Because you have stopped reacting to anything and everything, and you have depowered them. You have dissolved their powers, and suddenly you feel empowered. Look at the relativity. Yes, किसी और को डिसएम्पावर करके आप पावरफुल महसूस करते हो. पावर की इक्वेशन ही ऐसे ही है. दिस इज व्हाट द फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स इज एज वेल. राजनीति भी यही है. धीरे धीरे आप पावरफुल होते जा रहे हैं अंदर से, और मैटर डिसएम्पावर्ड हो रहा है. यू आर गेटिंग पावरफुल and the matter is getting disempowered. Disempowered. You are getting powerful. Silent, secure, tall like a strong pillar which does not react. Slowly and steadily stay in any of these phases which you feel comfortable. A strong pillar who is not reacting, renunciating everything, not reacting. Choose any of them. Stay in this zone. Yes, they will come back because they have a habit of coming back. You are the powerful one. You can always disempower people. You can always disempower matter. Let us disempower matter because that is what their grammar is. ये उनका व्याकरण है. ये उनका स्वभाव है कि वो खींचे चले आते हैं. यही तो आज का टॉपिक है. They get magnetically attract because you are the magnet. right? You change your polarity and they suddenly fall down, and that's what you have done. Completely change your polarity. All matter has dissolved. Everything is dissolved. You are pure, fresh, without any negative polarity. Now slowly take a deep, long breath. Pray to your divine and submit the power that you have received in the footsteps or in the heart of your own divine. Yes, you have received it from here, not from any other magical source. Submit it back so that you only receive what is beneficial for you and not the energy of the universe. You will feel further lighter. Slowly move, come back to your body, come back to the mind, rub your hands, put it on your face, on your body, on your head, open your eyes. We are done with today's meditation. Any questions which I can quickly answer? Any questions which I can quickly answer?
Thanks, Alok. Nothing.
Thank you, Jadid.
No questions today. Thank you, Alok.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Valla. We look forward to have you again.
Yeah.
Sure.
Good day.
Good day.
Good day.